750, 600, 600, guys. We got a 760 winners. 7 compliments, guys. Hey, just, and I'm so happy for you, you know. Just need it. Compliments, dude. Thanks for welcome, Alex. Congratulations, Scott Switter. That was a crazy lightning storm. 750, 600, 615X on a board. Crazy, crazy, guys. Even without a top float, can hit the 1200X second ranking. You're not happy with a outcome? You're not happy with a lightning storm, which we got it there? Then maybe you will get it this one. Wow, guys, are you kidding me? Back-to-back lightning storm with a multipliers. Are you kidding me? First time in my life, guys. 16 with a 3X. Wow. Guys, it's like from the worst session to the best session in 2 spins. I'm telling you, it's like from the worst session to the best session in a 2 spins, guys. Now it's 3X multiply, X chaser, storm chaser, back to back, guys. Decision time for second or third strike, guys. Woo! Just a different song is playing now. Third strike, come on, everybody. Global multiplier 2X. Let's go, first strike, come on. All right, guys, 240X on the platter. First strike that we got here. Come on. Second strike now. Global multiplier again. 5X. You kidding me now? It's the same 15X on the platter, guys. We got to hear the boards. 450X on the platters, guys. We got to hear. Come on. And a third strike, ladies and gentlemen. Give us a big 120X now. Woo! 895 winners, guys. HHMM doing it once a year. Shit, what's going on? Stats. Way Australis broke up. How is this possible? Number 1 with the 5X lightning storm. All right, now we're talking. Let's head on up. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want to miss this one. Before we do anything else, put that 5X sauce on board. Yes, indeed. 2000X on top there, but you gotta choose your strike. What do you think? 1, 2, 3? This one's for all the marbles. Yes, all the marbles. What do you think? A lot of strikes, few fans, I suppose, as usual. Let's have at it then. Strike 1. 175X on strike 1. Okey-dokey, moving on strike 2. Come on, can we get to 4 digits here? 4 digits. That's our goal. Okay, I mean, we got pretty close on this one. 500X. Beautiful round number. And strike 3. You think we can beat 500X? That's not going to be easy. Yeah, 225 on this one. Here we go, 225. So 175, 500, and 225. Congratulations. I guess especially those who picked that strike number 2. Certainly feeling vindicated being the part
strikes. Have to choose one. I'm gonna choose just one out of these three. Okay, guys, you ready? We started with the first strike. 280. Woo! Come on now, first strike. Let's go. Okay, fantastic. Moving on to the second strike. Global multiplier up. Don't tell me it's a 5x. 3x is still amazing. There's a 4800X at the top as the highest possibility. Oh my, oh my. You guys, 360 and 120. Oh my days. That's 480X for the second strike. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Okay, guys, moving on to the third strike right now. 80 and 60, making that into 140X for the third strike. Great. Amazing. All right, guys, welcome back. 961 winners with 36.
Let's go monster match, guys. Got it here, ladies and gentlemen. We got Alex, 5x, buddy, 5x, and had with golden 5x. It's a 25-25, guys. 50x a monster. Not bad at all. 50x, guys. Monster match. 700 what is the total? SK2 gets links. Currently, congratulations for 50x. 500x. Oh, I will ask about it, chap. I need to ask about it. You know, I thought it's like a cash hunt. You know, you always also can get a on a cash hunt 500x with a 50x sort of plan. You will get a 25k. 50k is also winning the fireball. I think no, just at maximum 25k in some of the games. It's like even in a crazy time or in a lightning stroke, 25k is the maximum plan which you can get there. Oh my. Guys, I hope that you stay together with me. I know that this start of this session was crazy, but now look at that, guys. Lightning storm with a 15x multiplier. That's insane. X chaser, storm chaser. Wow, guys, that was so unexpectable. Woo! Bye, everybody. Guys, so crazy. 15x multiplied a lightning storm, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. 6000X is on the top. We can get a multipliers. Now it's time to make a choice. First, second, third strike here right now, guys. Woo! Are you kidding me? Wow, guys. 15x lightning storm. First strike. 750x multiplied and first strike, guys. Let's go. Second strike. Give us a global multiplier, please, one time. 600x on the second strike, guys. Come on, third strike. Give us a big. Give us a huge win. Come on, guys. Multipliers. 600x multiplied a third strike. Thank you,
congratulations to one of the round numbers. 368 players won this game. Betting time is open. You drunk my knees. That's a 408 people win. Betting time is available now. Where's O'Meyer safe? In the last 5 games, we saw 4 leaves. Bets are closed. Wheel multipliers are 3x and 12, 4x and a 6, and also 2x and number 15. This is number 7. Lightning storm. Fight! Been a while. Hello, and welcome to Lightning Storm. Oh, the weather is nice. It's about to go down. Decision time is yours. Which one of these 3 generators will have the best, most powerful multiplier? Make your move. You can also let the game decide. All right, Lightning strike number 1. You have a 35 times multiplier. We're expecting a second lightning strike. Going through this billboard. 35X. Third and final generator and global multiplier. 2x. Enhancing the billboard's value. Let's see how much power we can squeeze out of this one. 800X, ladies and gentlemen. You conquered the top of the billboard. Let's go back.
The middle strike was the highest multiplier. We're already getting ready for the next one here. Next spins in motion, you guys. Hey, happy you got a little something there as well, Antonio. Thank you so much for letting me know. Anyways, yeah, waiting for our next results right now, so good luck. Fingers crossed. So let us see, what is it now? Oh, wait. Come on. I think we just got ourselves another 10X on Monster Match, though. Number 6. Woohoo! Looking good. Look at the sky. Look at the multis. Everything's burning up right now. 10 times better. So guys, you ready to build up something? Let it be good. Oh yeah. So what are we having here? Come on. That's a 50. That's a 10. And that's a 200 up top. So guys, 260X is the answer. Going back to Leo. 1,056 total winners here. I got some wins. Vince Antonio for shots up. What I say for the center here is the next one. So of course, good luck. Yes. All right. Congratulations, guys.
Or the Alice top plays that. How was the session? Sometimes we're getting bonuses, sometimes we're getting leaves. I think like something not something special. No. Thank you for not moving. All right. All right. What do we gonna have? 15X. All the body parts for the monster. 750X. You saw that? Much for the cat. Oh, what was the last 35X body? And had will the gold one? No, 300X had 200X, 35X, and 30X. 405X, the monster mash bonus result. Wow, that's incredible.
Players won his game. Betting time's open now. Tranga the 980 euro win for you. Betting time is open, players. Bets are closed now. Thank you for stopping by Lightning Storm. And this is it. Bets are closed. Bingo plus. No good bonus from me. Maybe. 15X and 10, 3X and 11, 3X and 13, 15X and number 15. Actually, I can't remember what happened in the past rounds. I have a memory of a goldfish. This is the number 10. And this is Fireball with a 15 times multiplier. How about them apples? Remember that wheel multiplier, 15X? Oh, we put it to work on this grid. Maximum multiplier is now valued at 7,500X. Good luck. Oh, right in the corner, huh? And the value is 450. Congratulations to the winners.
More on companies and smaller businesses and big businesses. That's a 5 with 12, guys.